Which spark plugs are actually good for your Ford Jeep? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find clear answers. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 options that can truly make a difference in your ride. Product number 1, NGK Iridium iX Spark Plug. First up is the NGK LKR7DIX11S Iridium iX Spark Plug. Priced at $33.35, this is a solid investment for anyone serious about performance. If you want enhanced throttle response and durability, this is worth a serious look. This means better ignition and improved performance, especially if you're pushing your Jeep to its limits. Plus, the anti-corrosion properties help keep it reliable even in tough conditions. Now, some people complained about the higher price compared to copper plugs. But here's the thing, the longevity and performance benefits can easily justify that cost for someone who values their engine's health. This is perfect for you if you're looking for enhanced performance on your Jeep. Skip this one if you're just looking for a basic replacement without care for performance upgrades. In terms of value, it's a bit on the higher side, but the results can be worth it. Now, if the price of the NGK bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with more budget-friendly options. Product number 2, NGK V-Power Spark Plugs Jeep TJ. Next, we have the 6PC NGK V-Power Spark Plugs specifically for Jeep TJ4L from City Auto, priced at $31.83. If you're after economical performance without sacrificing quality, this is definitely worth considering. These plugs feature a unique V-groove design that enhances spark development, which means better combustion efficiency in older engines. With a rating of 4.7 stars from 418 reviews, it's clear these are a trusted choice among Jeep owners. Some users mentioned that these plugs can wear out faster than expected. Now, that's something to keep in mind if you plan on taking long trips or heavy off-roading. However, for daily driving or light trails, they perform exceptionally well. This set is perfect for you if you want a reliable and affordable option for your Jeep TJ. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty performance for extreme conditions. You're getting good bang for your buck here without breaking the bank. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for performance. Product number 3, BDFHYK Iridium Spark Plugs. Coming in third is the BDFHYK set of 6 Iridium Spark Plugs, available for just $17.09. If you're looking for great value without sacrificing ignition performance, this one might catch your eye. These plugs are built for compatibility across multiple models, including Jeep Commander and Grand Cherokee, and feature fine iridium electrodes for superior ignition performance. This translates to quicker starts and improved power delivery, essential for those who want a smooth driving experience. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 616 reviews, they're well received in the community. However, some users reported issues with fitment in certain models. Here's the thing though, as long as you double-check compatibility before purchase, you shouldn't have a problem. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly solution that still performs well. Skip this one if you need a plug specifically tailored for extreme conditions. For the price, you're getting excellent quality and performance. Now, if compatibility is a concern for you, the next product is specifically made for Jeep 4 models. Product number 4, NGK V-Power Spark Plugs Jeep Cherokee. Next up is another great offering from City Auto, the 6PC NGK V-Power Spark Plugs for Jeep Cherokee 4L, priced at $25.64. If you're driving a Cherokee and want reliable performance, this could be your go-to. These plugs utilize precision laser-welded electrodes for reliable ignition and feature an advanced design that enhances spark development. With 171 reviews and a solid rating of 4.6 stars, it's proven to be a popular choice. Some users pointed out that they might not last as long as iridium plugs in high-performance applications. But honestly, if you're using your Jeep for daily driving, these are more than sufficient. This is perfect for you if you want a plug that fits specifically for the Cherokee and offers decent performance. Skip this one if you're planning to do high-performance modifications. It's a solid option for everyday use without a hefty price tag. Now, if you're looking for something that focuses on durability and long-lasting performance, You'll want to check out this next option. Product number 5. Champion Copper Plus Spark Plugs. Finally, we have the Champion Copper Plus Spark Plugs compatible with Jeep Grand Cherokee models priced at $26.98. If you're after a time-tested brand with a reputation for quality, this might be the answer. These spark plugs are built with durable precious metals that improve performance while minimizing wear and tear. With a 4.5-star rating from 171 reviews, they've stood the test of time. A few users have mentioned they can be a bit more prone to fouling compared to iridium plugs. But here's the thing, if you keep up with regular maintenance, this shouldn't be a significant issue. This is perfect for you if you trust established brands and want reliability. Skip this one if you need the latest technology or plan on heavy modifications. You're getting a solid quality product that can last if taken care of. Now, let's wrap this up and compare what we've seen. To recap, we've looked at 5 excellent spark plugs for your Ford Jeep. The high-performance NGK Iridium iX, the economical NGK V-Power for the TJ, the budget-friendly BDFHYK Iridium, the reliable NGK V-Power for the Cherokee, and the time-tested Champion Copper Plus. Each has its strengths and ideal use cases, so choose based on your specific needs. Happy driving!